This quarter, we've introduced powerful new ways to help you protect smarter, detect faster, and recover clean. Number 1, deploy secure backup in minutes. The Veeam software appliance is a hardened, Linux-based deployment of the new Veeam data platform with built-in immutability, zero trust access, automated updates, and flexible hardware options that are all managed in a single web interface. Next, AI insights and actions. Veeam Intelligence brings AI directly into your workflow so you can ask for clean restore points, see the blast radius of an attack, and get instant answers in plain language. Third, be ransomware ready. Veeam Cybersecure is our elite program for end-to-end cyber resilience covering before, during, and after an attack, including quarterly security assessments, incident planning toolkit, and a cyber extortion retainer with a 15-minute SLA with Codeware by Veeam. Fourth, security that connects and protects. Veeam is the largest ecosystem of SIEM integrations, connecting directly with leading SIEM platforms. And finally, comprehensive cloud data resilience. Veeam Data Cloud for managed service providers delivers secure, scalable backup and recovery, no infrastructure to maintain, no silos to manage, so you can focus on growing, not guarding. That's data resilience powered by Veeam.